We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can reset Oppo phone without password. So to do that, you will need to initiate the hard reset directly from the recovery menu rather than from settings. And in order to enter or boot into the recovery menu, you will need to power off your device, which you can firstly do by simultaneously holding side power button and volume up keys. Come on. Then power it off. After the phone gets completely shut down, you will need to hold the side power button and volume down keys this time. Once the Oppo logo appears, let go the side power button and just hold the volume down key until you will see the language choosing menu. So here it is in my case. Then hit whatever language you would like to use. Go for the format data option. Then enter the verification code that will appear right over here. Choose to format all data and wait for the factory reset or master reset to take place. As you can see, my data was successfully formatted, so I've successfully hard reset my phone. And now after the phone will get started, you will be greeted with the initial system setup procedure, which we have a whole separate video about, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. But as far as this simple video tutorial goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any comments or questions left, do not hesitate to leave them below this video, and I guess I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.